Spoiler alert, this is a good sound set. This is the Edifier W240TN. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Last week, we talked about the Edifier W220T, a classic design with long battery life and very good microphones. And now, I am excited to share this as these earphones have become one of my favorite to listen to, the Edifier W240TN. Let us start this with the key specifications. Noise cancellation on voice and sound, ambient sound mode, 8.5 hours on earbuds, 25 hours total battery life with a charging case, dual microphone driver, game mode, customizable via app, IP55 dust and water resistant. And now join me in the unboxing ceremony of the Edifier W240TN. This is the box showing the pair of earphones. Mine is in color black. Slide the cover to the side revealing the black box. You flip it open upward. And the earphone buds case is here. Let me set aside this first. Here on the upper part of the box has a compartment for the USB A to C charging cable. There are 3 extra pairs of ear tips with different sizes. Here is the instructions manual, and keep that and you will use it to understand the default controls. And that is it for the unboxing. So here's the earbuds charging house. So as you can see, it is rectangular with cuts on the lower corner, making it a hexagonal looking one. At the back, you can locate the charging port in USB-C, and beside this is the reset button. Here on top, the Edifier brand is engraved. In front is a very cool looking LED strip. The texture is matte and is quite rubbery in feel. But this is plastic. The surface does not attract fingerprint that much. And it looks like it would not be easily scratched compared to the glossy ones. And let us open the charging case. And here are the earbuds snugly sitting on the case. Look at the charging LED light strip. It looks so cool with the light pulsating from left to right or from sides to center. Let us take out the pair of earpiece. Each has this chrome colored part where you can hold the piece as you place it in your ear. This is a good handle to adjust the earbuds in your ear. The middle part or body is in glossy black color. And here are the charging connectors. And the mic here for ambient sound and another mic here for the vocals. I assume as it points downwards. Here are extra tips where we can interchange the size. The tip is not a perfect circle and it is a bit flat. And this shape fits better in your ears. No stem, and this is how it looks when you wear it. I said before that I am not a fan of the in-ear buds earphones due to comfort reasons. But this one is surprisingly comfortable. I think my preference is being swayed by these earbuds. And now let me describe the sound. Let me give a level rating for low, mid, high, clarity, and loudness. This is just my estimate, and I hope it helps you to have an idea. For bass or lows, I give it 7 out of 10. For mids, 9 out of 10. For treble, 8 out of 10. For clarity, 9 out of 10. And for loudness, 8 out of 10. I really like the balance of the Edifier W240TN. The bass is where I perfectly like it. Not the overwhelming punchy bass that overpowers the music, but it is there for me to ride on it. The mid or usually the instruments and vocals, it is perfectly well heard. Perfect for listening pop or dance music with vocals. The treble complements the bass and mids very well. For clarity, I gave a high score level. As for me at least, the sound is well produced here. I can hear the musical instruments very clearly and distinctly from each other. There are even instruments that I do not usually hear from the mix and now getting noticed. That is a bit surprising to hear. The vocals are nicely produced and heard as well. The sound for music are well placed in front of my face and I can hear more elements using these buds. I give Edifier W240TN high praise for its sound clarity. Here is the Edifier W240TN. These earphones are IP55 rated, so it means it's water and dust resistant, so it can endure water splash, or if you are using it for sports, it's fine. This also has a noise cancellation option, so it is canceling ambient sound to improve the sound you hear from the earphones. And it is also a noise cancellation microphone, so the voice being recorded using these Bluetooth pair, there will be noise cancellation processing. And also, there is an ambient sound mode. Even if you are using this in-ear earbuds, you can still somehow hear the ambient sound. So you can turn it on and off by pressing the button for about 3 seconds, or you can also access it or turn it on and off using the Edifier Connect app. So the microphone, are you hearing it well? Because the sound that you are hearing now will be the sound that the person you are talking to will hear if you will be using this on online meetings or calls. So what do you think? So comment down your opinion. Let me just talk about pairing. Connect it to your Bluetooth device. You may look for Edifier W240TN, and once connected, it is best to install the Edifier Connect app. With this app, you can customize your earbud set. See the charging level for each earbud and the box. For the sound modification, you can select from classic and dynamic mode. You can also customize the level of the frequencies to your liking. From here, you can also activate the gaming mode to lessen the delay of the sound going to the earbuds. Customize the control of the buds using this app too. For battery life, this is a long-lasting earbud that can last for 8 hours for each bud when noise cancellation is turned off. When it is on, as noise cancellation eats up power, it reduces the endurance approximately to 7 hours. But not bad really. This is a long-lasting battery for each earbuds. The charging case can give 2 full charges, giving it up to total of 25 hours, and this is a solid endurance for wireless buds. And for controls, without pulling out your phone, you can use the buttons on each earbuds. The button is a clicky one, so you need to put pressure to press. Basic functions like pausing, playing music, getting to the next music, or also you can use it to answer calls or reject a call. Holding the button for a few seconds activates and turns off the noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. And you can add customizations in control using the app. And that is it. I have presented to you the Edifier W240TN. So personally, let me tell you what I like about the Edifier W240TN. So first, my top one is the clarity of sound. After a few minutes of using it, I can say that W240TN is something special. The clarity is superb, and I can hear the instruments separately and distinctly hear each sound. The vocals are clear and pronounced. I said to myself, ang ganda ng sound nitong earbuds na ito. The sound is well balanced and perfect for my taste. And I think I will replace my daily buds with this one. So second, what I like is the design. The design is not boring. Though it's plain black, the case shape, the texture, and the pulsating LED strip, the two-tone color of the buds, it is so pogy. Third, the endurance is above average. 8 hours is a whole day's work, and it will endure the hard day with me. Fourth, the comfort. I have said I'm not a fan of in-ear buds, but this one suits me well. I do not replace the tip, and the standard was perfect for me. Edifier impressed me with the W240TN. I am excited to share this to my audio enthusiast friends, as I know you'll enjoy this one too, giving you a clear and elaborate musical experience. Interested with the W240TN? I will leave a link if you want to purchase one yourself. So keep on sharing your thoughts and views about this gadget. Comment kayo and pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli!